So we're heading back to the mainland for a second day in a row. This time around we're going to rent a car, which I believe is a Jeep, and we're going to go over to a beach, and I forget the name of the beach, but we're going over to a beach. Oh, Matira Beach. And yeah, we're going to drive around the whole island, see what we can see. I'm driving on Bora Bora in a car type that I've never driven before. They definitely don't sell this car in America, but it's a hybrid and it's got some pickup. I gotta say, it moves pretty quick. It'd be fun to race it against my mom's Prius and see what happens. So we just got done swimming at Pavilion Blue, Bora Bora. We didn't bring any masks or snorkels because we really just wanted to drive around the island. We didn't think, you know, we'd do any snorkeling really. I did bring the GoPro, so hopefully that did all the looking for us. It's just a gorgeous beach, and I gotta say, I was able to swim down deeper than I've been able to this whole entire trip. Everything here in Bora Bora is like 4 feet deep, to the point where even trying to swim over a reef can be really dangerous. So here I could have definitely utilized that weight belt. Yeah, it's amazing. You can just see probably maybe a half mile to a mile out, there's a barrier reef and the waves are breaking far out in the distance. But the water here is just amazing. It's literally paradise. Holy cow. What do you think, Michelle?
Beautiful, and I hear roosters.
There's roosters all over here. Well, it's day 3 in Bora Bora, and we're at Matira Beach. So I'm here in the bathroom at Bloody Mary's, and this is the sink. You wash your hands in here, and it's like a fountain. I don't think I've ever seen a sink like that before. Definitely worth checking out the bathroom.
are in the photo, by the way.
Thank you! Whoa, look at this!
You make everybody in a good mood. That's what they were saying. You make them happy.
I hope so. That's all I want in life, is to make people in a good mood.